Hello, I'm Mike, one of the Savage Worlds rule set developers on Fantasy Grounds and a Savage Worlds extension developer. With the August 26, 2025 release, Savage Worlds gained new custom dice skin features. This is similar to what D&D 5e has, but tailored to Savage Worlds and with more features. In this video, I'll go over how to assign dice skins to player characters. This works the same in Pathfinder for Savage Worlds and Savage Worlds Deluxe. By default, all character roles use the tray dice skin, as they always have. The dice tray is where your dice live when you're not tossing them about. Now, in addition to selecting a dice skin for your dice tray, you can assign dice skins to characters. You do this by dragging and dropping a dice skin onto the upper dice box in the header of the character sheet. You can also set the wild dice skin by dropping a dice skin onto the wild die box. You may want to set only the wild die and use the trade dice skin for all the other dice. You change the dice skin by dropping a different dice into the box. You clear the dice skin by right-clicking and selecting Clear. If you have bad drop aim, you can drop the dice skin anywhere in the header and it will set the dice skin. If you hold Alt when dropping, it will set the wild die. You can see which dice skin is selected by hovering over it. If you grab rather than click the dice skin, it will start to drag and not change your dice tray skin. By grab, I mean press and hold the mouse button over the dice skin. You can use colorable dice too. Colorable dice are the ones with a palette icon in the selection, and then have tiny pips that indicate the body and text colors when assigned. The body color is the top pip, text color is the lower pip. If you don't see these pips, it's because there's a -2 penalty to notice rolls to see them due to their size. You have two options to set the colorable dice. You can select it in the Dice Options window. It will set your trade dice and will change them as you change the colors. This gives you a good view of what the skin will look like. When you're done setting the colors, drop it onto the character. You can change the colorable dice anytime, in case you pick colors that give your GM eye seizures. This goes along with the second option to setting colorable dice. Drop a colorable die onto the character, then set the colors from there. Right-click on the die, select Set Body Color, pick a color, click OK. You do the same to set the text color. Only colorable dice will show these menu options. Assigning dice skins to a character is useful if you're controlling more than one PC. You may also want roles from the character sheet to use a different skin than manual roles, or you may just want your wild die to be more sparkly than your tray dice. The selected dice skin will be applied to all trait rolls made by that character. It will also be applied to damage rolls unless a dice skin is assigned to that particular damage keyword. I cover damage dice skins, NPC dice skins, and more features in other videos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your cool dice packs. May your aces count and your snake eyes count even more.